have a video. Do it again. I love the movie.
Nothing can stop us now.
Is it really faster to cut down Main Street and over, or Frontierland and down?
I think Castle, Frontierland. Not
Castle,
Adventureland.
Frontierland down, not over through. Okay, that makes sense.
So what do we think?
Loved it.
So fun. Yeah. Also, that song's gonna be in my head for the rest of the movie.
And then once we're done with like New Orleans Square and stuff, we could do lunch and Jungle Cruise and stuff. Wait, where's the other? Well, it's less crowded if we go that way, but
Lucy.
we know where we're going. We know where we're going. We'll meet up.
Maybe we should have done that.
I guess we could go straight and then
Yeah, curve around through the end because games might be started.
I think
I
we.
think it's fastest if we go down to the circle.
Okay. Past the way.
You know, we want to get back to. What is that? We're trying to get Star Tours.
It's a good plan.
All my coworkers have now seen it.
Slow down, Maurice.
Frontierland. Hey, bro. Frontierland or Adventureland? Jolly holiday. Adventureland. Escaping passengers. Escaping passengers. I don't know what that is. Jungle Cruise. Adventureland Bazaar. New Orleans Square. Pirates of the Caribbean. Pirates of the Caribbean 510 Montana Hotel.
Ooh, there's no line.
Whoa.
It's closed right now.
I close.
Probably just for a little bit.
Couple of
I can see it.
Brooke, I think you gotta go up this.
My kind of. Yeah, we're staying until fireworks. It's so slow. Riding